Magandang gabi po ng July 19, 2026 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 9 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto, 3D Lotto, Super Lotto 649 at Ultra Lotto 658. 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw result ngayong gabi ng July 19, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral ng basang para sa 2D Lotto 9 p.m. 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, July 19, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 9 p.m. 'Super Lotto 649' draw result ngayong July 19, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa Super Lotto 649 at nandito na rin po ang kanyang jackpot price. Ultra Lotto 658 draw result ngayong Sunday, July 19, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa Ultra Lotto 658 at nandito na rin po ang kanyang jackpot price. See you again tomorrow, July 20, 2026 Monday for 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto and 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto. Here are my tomorrow's jackpot estimates for Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, July 20, 2026. Thank you for watching this 9 p.m. video for evening of July 19, 2026, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.